It's pretty nasty, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like the drug that.
What up?
Sunset.
Fantastic.
Like the first taste of
Your salmon dip with honey. Get some wonton chips. Thank you so much.
The glaze, so it's kind of like the walnut strip that you get at a Chinese restaurant. It's been a hell of a ride. Just when we started last year, nobody showing up.
There's a red that I'd like to order with the main course. What are we thinking?
Okay, red.
Yeah, that's fun. Oh God, yeah.
Congratulations, guys, on a successful pop-up.
Thank you, thank you.
Evan, always good to see you in town. The Lord is in the house.
The Lord.
Can you describe the dessert again?
In addition to banana in the custard, there's tahini, and then in the whipped cream, there's a little bit of sesame oil and some bourbon. So it's like full sesame, and then we've got vanilla wafers and a little bit of sesame seed on top.
Wow. That is absolute deliciousness right there. Lick this plate clean here.
Hey, what are you doing? I want you to get that cigar. I want you to put it in your mouth, and I want you to smoke it.
All right, you can smoke right next to Mr. Obama right here.
Fantastic.